Good day, sir and everyone. My name is Teng ID EA19046, and I am from Group 10 from the Multimedia Session 1G, and this is my attempt for the Q&A session for the project's e-hospital. But before I proceed to the Q&A session, I want to present our e-hospital first. So for the introduction, e-hospital cards are built in order to solve the problem where the patient have the difficulty to make an appointment with the desired doctors. The patient do not have their medical history as the reference, and they have problem to find the nearby hospital. Using this app, user can make appointment anywhere and anytime. With in additional, the application was also store the user medical history to be used as the reference sources in the future. And this is our project development activities, which was most of our project activities was done in week 13, which was pretty late actually, and most of our activities was not finished, such as the software encryption, which was 0%, documentation issues was 0%, and solving related issues. Now we are moving to the Q&A session. Where do you store the user account information, booking history, and password? Please demonstrate how the database is updated in real time in another short videos. So now I will open up my apps, which was for the patient part, and this is the database for the patient part. Now as you can see, this is my ID number, which was the same as the ID number here, and the name is taken by the real-time database, and other information was same and related. Now I will try to book for another appointment. Let's choose for Dr. Muhammad Asyraaf. I will pick 3 days after with the time at 11:30. Now I book. As you can see, now the newest appointment was done. I will check the appointments now. As you can see, it was now 197, 199. Oh, it is still loading. Let's us wait. 197, 199, 200. Now you show that I already booked for the newest doctor, and everything was stored in the database as well in the database of the doctors. As you can see, I need to check for Dr. Asyraaf. So Dr. Asyraaf, the newest one is 11:29. Yes, this is our name, and everything was saved in 2 different databases, which was on the patient database and the doctor database. Now we are moving to the second question. Do you encrypt the user data and password? So for this question, we didn't put any effort to encrypt the user data, as we have limited time to do the encryption. So we decided only to use the very common information to make our apps works, such as to book for our appointment. We only classify everything as user ID. So for every user ID with different names, you can book for one specific doctors. So in this case, we didn't put any effort to encrypt the user data, so we are moving to the next question. So is there any notification if a new appointment is received by the doctor? So just now we booked for appointment for the doctors, and no, we didn't put any notification for the doctors, but the doctors can check whenever they have any news appointment in real times. So all the question was answered, and that is the end for our Q&A session. So for those who haven't watched the demonstration video, you can watch the videos which was linked in the down description below. And this is the end for our Q&A session. Thank you everyone for watching.